Beautiful. Way to go, banjo. All right, now let's talk about this stack here. Badass stacks. It's got an extended stack to it. The other one, let me grab it here and I'll show you the difference. This is the standard. See, that's the standard. Exactly 45-degree angle, and then you get this badass stack. The other one comes up to about right there. This one, you can see. That is nice. Beautifully done. Oh yes, Banjo loves it. Y'all go check him out, badassstacks.com. He's got a bunch of other merch there also. He's got some that you don't even have to get one that long if you don't want to, but they are nice. Go check him out, badassstacks.com. What we've got here is a little holiday deer jerky and squirrel jerky. These down here are about ready to go. Not quite. But it is going to be wonderful. Cannot wait. Yes. We're in business. See, I've got it on the lowest setting possible. I'm just letting it get all that smoke and then letting it dehydrate. So we'll get right back with you. Y'all stay tuned. There we have it, folks. We are finished. They are complete. Fantastic. Oh yeah. Well, guys, let's get a little taste test of this here. Then we'll conclude this little video here. But yeah, there's a beef jerky there. Got a little deer jerky right there. I used a lumberjack. 100% oak lumberjack to smoke with. It smoked for about 6 hours. It's really good. Let's talk about Fat Stack. Badass Stacks. Brian Sizemansky. Super great guy. You'll love it. Go to badassstacks.com. You can go to Instagram with badassstacks.com. Facebook, Badass Stacks. The 2 S's in the middle are super big, like they're super big, they're capitalized. And it said metal fabrications on it. But the stack that he's got that I actually ordered was the super extended stack, and it draws really good. It kind of gets the smoke up above. Usually you're digging in there, smoke's blowing in your eyes, which, you know, that's all you know, what you deal with smoking meats, but it makes it, you know, and you got that beautiful stainless steel, just a sheen to it, you know. It just rolls really good with that RT700. Great guy. I talked with him. Super nice. Great patriot. He loves America. He does a really good job, folks. Top-notch job. Check him out. Go over there, check him out, especially if you have a RT700 or anything you want to kind of add something to or put a bigger stack on. He deals in stainless steel, high-grade stainless steel, and it's top-notch stuff. It's top-notch. He does a great job. Go check him out, and I'll put a link below in the description. Check him out. But yeah, that beef jerky is really good. I usually make some for the holidays. I've got another video coming up next couple of days. We'll be smoking turkey for our Thanksgiving for the hospital where I work, for the maintenance guys and everybody. So I'll be posting that up next in the next couple of days. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, share this, send it to all your friends. Let's get these subscribers going way up. I've got 182 subscribers now, I think it is. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for this wonderful ride we've been on. And God bless America. God bless USA. And y'all have a good night. I hope you enjoy.